Welcome to Introduction to Sociology. I'm Professor Fenlon. This is week 1. Every week I'm going to send you guys out a short video to let you know what we're going to cover during the week and what assignments you're responsible for. So this week there is no reading due. We'll start reading chapter 1 after our first class and for week 2. So we meet every Tuesday at 9:30 to 10:45, and we will be using Zoom, which is a really simple application. I will be sending you out a link at the beginning of the week, and you just need to click on that link, and it'll bring you directly to our classroom. So for this week, we're going to be going over what the course is. What are some of the topics we're going to be covering? What are my expectations of you? What are your expectations of me, and what are the assignments, tests, etc.? What is the semester going to look like? So that's Tuesday. You don't have to prepare for it. By Friday, there is a homework assignment and a discussion question that is due. And each week, we're going to be, you will be responsible for answering homework as well as a discussion question. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So when you head on over to Blackboard and you click on our classes page, which is Soc 121 section 04, this is the home page that you're going to see. So we're going to head, this is where you're going to find your syllabus in here for the semester, and we're going to go over that this week. But I do suggest that you print that out and you become very aware of the due dates that are in that syllabus. And then when you click over here, this is called Lesson Plans, Assignments, and Tests, and that is exactly what it is. Here you're going to find your homework assignments. Here are where you're actually going to take your midterm and your final, and also we will have a paper this semester, and the instructions for the paper are here. Each week, I'm going to post the slides that we go over during class. Just in case you weren't in class, you will be able to access the slides. So every Friday, a homework assignment is due. So you're going to click on the homework folder. This week, we have a homework assignment that is not graded because it's just an introductory assignment. But in the after this week, your assignments will be graded and they're out of 10 points. But for this week, I'm just asking you to send me a couple questions so I can get to know you better, because I love to get to know all of you. I'm usually a in-person teacher, so I'm going to try as hard as I can to take some of the things that I love to do in person and do them online. So you're going to click on the homework assignment right here, the link. And this is what you're going to see. It's going to give you the due date. It's going to tell you how many points are possible. As again, this week, it's a 0-point assignment because it's just sort of a trial run homework assignment. So you're just going to answer a couple questions for me so I can get to know you better. What is your full name? What is your preferred name? You know, I might have a very lengthy name on my roster, but you might like to go by Tom, or or you have a nickname that you prefer. So let me know what that is. Please let me know if you have preferred pronouns. Mine are she, her, and hers. Tell me what your favorite kind of food is. Let me know 3 qualities that you associate with a previous teacher who was effective for you. And is there anything that I should know about you? So you want to, the easiest thing I think to do is to go ahead and just write submission here. And then you just you write directly into this box. So my name is Judith Fenlon. My preferred name is Judith or Professor Fenlon. My pronouns are she, her, and hers. My favorite food is pizza from Brooklyn. 3 qualities of a teacher that was effective for me are creativity. I don't like to be bored. I like there to be a variety of things to do during class, whether that's some lecture, some video, some discussion. I like flexibility in a professor. And I like honesty. So I like knowing what we have to do and keeping that consistent. I don't like to be surprised. Anything else to know about me? That I am a mom. I'll probably talk to my kids, talk about my kids. Maybe you'll see them in the background sometimes. Because this is a class about people. And so oftentimes you'll hear me talking about my kids as an example to illustrate a concept that we're talking about. So I'm a mom of kids, and I have 2 dogs who I like a lot, and you'll probably hear them also during class, I'm sure. And then you would just hit submit, and it's going to automatically tell me who this is from. So you don't even have to write your name in here, and that's how you submit homework. It's very easy, and the homework then will be automatically put into your grade book, so you can actually right away see how you did on that. So that's homework, right? So we went here to get our homework, where our homework assignments are, and we're going to go here. There's going to be a discussion question that you're going to answer every week, and these are important to just stay engaged with your classmates. For me to know that this is sort of the participation part of class, since we can't do that in person. This is how I'm going to track your participation. So you're going to go ahead and click on discussions this week. The discussion is just a quick icebreaker to, again, tell me a little bit about yourself. I want you, and again, this is sociology. So this question, although it seems kind of light and fun, it's actually says a lot about who you are and how you relate to other people and your place in society. So let me know one thing that's important to you and why. And it could be a person, it could be a material item, you know, a ring your grandmother gave you, not me, that'd be nice, a car that has significance to you, clothing. I think clothing can have a lot of significance. Of course, it could be a place that you visit that's important to your home. It could be a pet, food, book, a quote. Really, the sky's the limit. So whatever you feel has significance to you in your life. Love to see a picture of that or you. And then please let me know if you have any questions or concerns for this semester. So that's the discussion portion, and you'll have a discussion each week. So you'll just go down and you'll see, and I will be moving kind of the most recent one up to the front. So as soon as you get to your discussion, what's due that week will be the first thing you see. So every week you will have a homework and a discussion due. And I will make sure that I'm reminding you guys that those things are due. So that's week 1, and I look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday. Would love to encourage you to put your picture on. I know that's sometimes uncomfortable or doesn't work for that moment, but because we are an online class and I don't get to meet you guys in person, it would be really great for me to be able to see some faces. It keeps us a little bit more connected to each other. So please don't hesitate to email me with any questions, fenlinjl@suny.scccc.edu, and I look forward to meeting you guys all really soon.